Hi everyone, greetings from Spirits United. This is I like to cook. Oh god, that movie was so terrible. We just got out of watching the last Titanic movie, Legend of the Titanic, and we're about to watch its sequel, Tentacolion or Tentacles or whatever the fuck it's called. I don't care. Let's just get this out of the way. But first, joining me is
and Mega Jamie V, or just Jamie for short. We're the only two left because Nikki.
the other two died from watching the movie.
Yes, it's so bad. We're the only two survivors left. But will we make it through this one?
We have to endure for their sake and for Yumi who couldn't make it.
Yes, this is for you, Yumi.
All right.
Okay.
Let's bat down the hatches. Full speed ahead. Let's watch this thing. In 3, 2, 1, play. I hate it already. Don't remind me of this movie.
We don't want... It's burning into our brains already.
Tentacolino, or however you pronounce that.
Who the fuck cares?
I'm just gonna say though that if this is not in English, I am going to stop immediately.
Same here.
Remember, just because the first Titanic movie that was watched didn't have English credits doesn't mean this one is not in English.
Lum lum. Iceberg dead ahead! We know already! Song Young Sam!
The shotgun ship. Boo! Boo! You suck! You have no chance in your smell!
Don't let
The
go!
ship's name is Krillin!
Ah! I'm going Super Saiyan!
Again!
Fuck
Damn you,
Sack.
SEK! Damn you to hell! You're as bad as Toyland Video Company!
I hope you both
people who
go
made
bankrupt one
Titanic.
day!
If you haven't already, and if you have, I want you to go back in business so you can go bankrupt again in 2 seconds! Wait, a seagull's ass shot? A shred of hope?
Yes! Yes! Come on, more of the seagull's ass! That will wash all our troubles away!
Whoa.
Okay,
Bring it.
this 3D model is much worse than the last time.
What is this? Is this Magoozy? Cartoon Network?
Break the capsule.
Aye aye, sir.
Lift my big old ball.
My ball! Give me back my ball!
The
Give
dogs
me
on the
back my
ship.
big ball!
Keep on.
All the dogs on the ship, because knowing their movie, I'm sure there is at least one. They're all like screaming in pain.
Yeah, they're all screaming in pain because the last movie was so bad.
It's in just the right position now. Let's go.
I heard you like 3 times already, so shut the hell up!
Yeah, seriously. Wait, what?
Sweetheart,
Yes?
look.
Smile?
At least his voice is more fitting in this.
Yes,
Oh.
there is some hope.
Yes.
The sharks?
It seems to me there are a lot of nasty-looking sharks out there.
And now Smiley has eyelashes.
Come here, you two.
Sharks! They're crossed between sharks and shorts!
Shark smile. We're at sea.
Wait a
This
minute, I
is
just
their home.
noticed that
Obviously,
Connors
they're really
doesn't have the yellow eyes anymore.
Well, okay, you
Huh,
got a point.
I guess he
But I
finally
still
figured
don't
out his
like them.
sexuality.
They're untrustworthy and nasty things. Sharks, indeed. They're worse than cats. Ugh.
Calm down, Smile. Even cats eat mice.
Oh yeah? If you say so.
But he still looks like a girl.
And what is it doing in my territory?
Dude, I'm not territory.
be the one who gets the honor of telling Razor Teeth about it.
God, what a nerd.
Today, Junior!
At least a half an hour before anyone even begins to understand what you're saying.
I'm out of here.
I have the one feeling that one shark is going to be
Come on,
vital
boys.
to the
We've
plot.
got stuff to do while we're waiting
The one
for
that stutters, I mean.
Let's see how strong this thing is.
2002. That's his number on his chest.
Kill them! Kill them!
Yes! Finish this movie already!
Yes, please.
Calm down, Smile. Relax. It must have been an underwater current.
A current? Did you feel that?
Wait a minute. That voice. If that's the voice for for Connors, then did he have a sex change? So you're right, he did figure out his sexuality. But then he changed it back when he got old. What the hell?
Ah. At least some soothing ambience music will make us feel better. I'm feeling better already.
Seriously, Nintendo 64 graphics were better than this.
Agreed. Oh, no.
Oh god. No, no, no.
No!
Look at my teeth. They're so sharp.
Oh, God! First rapping dogs, now a rapping fucking shark!
I thought we were in the clear.
Every time something good comes up, something bad always comes and fucks it up. Why don't you all shut the fuck up? Yeah!
You all know why, and that's no lie.
Jeez.
You're full of poo! So, fuck you! I'm a hoe! You make...
Ice-T? Is that who's playing him? Okay, those things are gonna haunt my dreams for the next 5 years.
I'm having seizures!
Some try to fake it, no one can take it, and all that evil is just for me. I sink my teeth in a great big whale. I eat every bite without any fail. Sink all ships just to have some.
This movie is fail!
Every single
It's so
You'll get eaten by... You'll get killed by a whale! Even though that doesn't
plus
make any
cartoons
sense.
equals fail. Plain and simple.
in my cemetery.
Make this stop! Make it stop!
This is just ridiculous.
I'm banging my head up against the wall right
The person
now!
who uploaded this video actually said this movie was better than the first one.
Boss,
Scooter,
Burp, 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 burp.
there's a little yellow boat going
I'm
down
glad we
the
can make each other laugh.
Titanic.
you gotta be
Out of
kidding me.
joy instead of out of insanity. Like, did they all just
No, boss.
pee?
Listen, you. What gave you the idea you could sink a
They all
boat
pee and then
without
disappear.
my
I guess that's the
permission?
lifespan of an
No,
oyster.
boss,
You
it's
live until you
sinking.
pee.
It's connected to the surface by a rope or a couple of ropes, and it's coming down slowly.
What, in my territory? Who dares to do this?
I don't know. Boss.
My territory! They should respect my authority!
Ain't I done well?
Did you say yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow!
Yellow, yeah.
Green!
Oh.
Fuck!
Hate that color. I can't stand
Then
yellow.
why does your shirt have it all over the
You know It's
place?
a color of light.
Gee, look at that. Look at all the yellow on his shirt.
Are you sure it's yellow? Well then, let's go and sink it now.
Let's sink it, let's sink it, let's sink it.
What the hell can you do, you stupid oysters?
Yeah, you don't even have any arms! Or tentacles for that matter! Shut up! Shut up!
Hey, nice song, yeah.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up!
Yeah.
This is just insane.
Ugh. Alright, see you in part 2.